Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 12 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are frequently used sentences. As in session number 11, we have studied few sentences that we use frequently in our day-to-day life regarding time, regarding meals, and various other sentences. In this session also we are going to learn few more sentences that will help you in your day-to-day conversation. So let us start with the first sentence. शराब मत पियो. That means don't drink. That means don't consume alcohol. Alcohol is sharab in Hindi. For alcohol we use the word sharab. So don't drink. You're warning somebody that she not consume alcohol. So don't drink. In Hindi we say sharab mat piyo. So we are warning that person that she should not consume alcohol. Again we are asking somebody to be polite or talk politely with someone. We say talk politely. That means be polite. In Hindi we say zara narmi se baat karo. Narmi is what? Politeness. So zara narmi se baat karo. Baat karna is talking. So be a little. Zara narmi, that means little polite. So zara narmi se baat karo. That means talk politely or be polite. That means talk in a polite manner. That means be polite. You are ordering somebody, he or she should check the accounts. Accounts is what? The whole transaction for the company, for the house, the accounts. So for accounts we have the word hisab in Hindi. For check we usually say check in Hindi. Hisab, check kar lo. That means check the accounts. Accounts is what? Hisab. So हिसाब check कर लो. Wake me up early in the morning. मुझे सुबह उठा देना. Early in the morning because I have to get up early. So you are requesting that he or she should wake you up early in the morning. So मुझे सुबह उठा देना. सुबह is morning. So मुझे सुबह उठा देना. अपने आप को सुधार लो. You are giving a warning to somebody, making the person understand that she should mend his own ways. Mend his ways of working. So you will say mend your ways. That means अपने आप को सुधार लो. सुधारना is mending. So अपने आप को सुधार लो. That means mend your ways. Ways is the way you work, your attitude, your behavior. So you just mend your ways. Mending is sudharna. In Hindi we say sudhar. So mend your ways. That means अपने आप को सुधार लो. Be polite to all or speak politely with everybody. That means सबके साथ नरमी से बात करो. नरमी is politeness. बात करना is speaking. सबके साथ, that means everybody or all. We use For all, for everybody, we use सबके साथ. So be polite to all or speak politely with everybody. For this phrase we usually say सबके साथ नरमी से बात करो. बात करना is speaking. So with everybody, with all, you just speak politely. सब बंदोबस्त कर रखना. बंदोबस्त is all the arrangements. So keep everything ready. That means do all the arrangements properly. सब बंदोबस्त कर रखना. Keep everything ready. So that means do all the arrangements previously and arrange all the things before somebody's coming or somebody's arrival. So keep everything ready. Ordering that she should keep everything ready before the arrival of the guest or any kind of arrangements. Walk cautiously. That means संभल कर चलना. That means walking cautiously. Cautiously is संभल कर. So संभल कर चलना. चलना is walking. Cautiously, that means संभल कर. So it means that the person should walk in a proper manner and be cautious, be alert while walking. Maybe there are stones or pebbles or any obstacles, hindrances. So she should walk in a proper cautious manner, in alertness. So for alertness, for cautious, we say संभल. संभल कर चलना. चलना is walking. So cautiously you have to walk up. मुझे कल इसकी याद दिला देना. Remind me about it tomorrow. Tomorrow means the next day. कल in Hindi we say. So reminding is याद दिलाना. Remind me about it tomorrow. मुझे कल इसकी याद दिला देना. याद दिलाना is reminding about it tomorrow. That means the next day. So मुझे कल इसकी याद दिला देना. Get ready if you want to come along. So you're offering that if you want to come, you can get ready. So get ready if you want to come along. That means if you want to come, that means चलना हो तो तैयार हो जाओ. तैयार is ready. So be ready if you want to come along. That means चलना हो तो तैयार हो जाओ. You are offering that if the person wants to come, she should get ready. So that is get ready if you want to come along. जब तक मैं ना आ जाऊं यहीं बैठे रहना. Maybe this kind of sentence we used to say to our small kids, that wait here until I return or until I come back or until I'm back. So जब तक मैं ना आ जाऊं, that means until I'm back, यहीं बैठे रहना. That means wait here, sit here. बैठना is sit, but here we can say for waiting that the person should wait there जब तक मैं ना आ जाऊं. That means until I am back. Don't speak like this. ऐसी बात नहीं कहते. So that means this kind of talk should not be said again, should not be talked about it again. So don't speak like this, because it's rude, or maybe it will hurt somebody, something like that. So don't speak like this. That means ऐसी बात नहीं कहते. You want to warn somebody that he or she should walk carefully, cautiously. Carefully is ध्यान, ध्यान से. So अपना काम ध्यान से करो. Work carefully. Working is calm. Carefully, that means ध्यान से करो. अपना काम ध्यान से करो. That means work carefully. If you want to warn somebody that he or she should do his own work and do not indulge in others, do not interfere in others, so you can say do your own work. That means अपना काम करो. काम is work. अपना, that means own. So do your own work. That means you're warning, you're ordering that she should not interfere in others or get involved in others and should pay attention to his work. So we say do your own work. Few more sentences we use every day. Come back soon. The person is going, you say come back soon. Soon is jaldi. Wapas आना, that means come back. So we say come back soon. That means jaldi वापस आना. So in that case, jaldi in Hindi we call it as soon. Come back, that means वापस आना. So jaldi वापस आना, that means come back soon. Please mind your own business. Again, you're warning somebody that he or she should not involve in your work, should not involve in others, interfere in others, and do his own work, mind his own business. So we say अपना काम देखिए. Please mind your own business. That means अपना काम देखिए. काम is work. देखिए, that means minding. So you are requesting here that please mind your own business. That means please do your own work and do not involve in my work or others. So अपना काम देखिए. Usually with this sentence we use for small children. When they ask for something, they say we want it, or sometimes they become stubborn that we want it right now. So at that time we say have patience. In that case we say have patience, because the person or child says it is we want it right now. At that time we say ज़रा सब्र करो. That means have patience. Sabr is patience. So have patience, that means ज़रा सब्र करो. बड़ों का आदर करो. That means respect your elders. Usually parents say that these kind of things given by parents, these good ethics, mannerisms, usually parents say that respect your elders. So that means बड़ों का आदर करो. Elders are what? बड़े. बड़ों is the big people, elders. So we say बड़ों का आदर करो. That means respect your elders. Elders are बड़े, आदर is respect. So बड़ों का आदर करो. And patience is sabr. बिजली जला दो. That means switch on the light. When we want to ask somebody that to switch on the light, we say बिजली जला दो. जलाना is switching it on. बिजली is light. So बिजली जला दो. That means switch on the light. In Hindi we say बिजली जला दो. So we say switch on the light. Light is bijli. So we say switch it on. Wash your hands. That means हाथ धो. हाथ धो, that means wash your hands. We usually say to small children or kids so that they should wash their hands before eating something. So hands is what? Haath. Dho, that means wash. So wash your hands. That means haath dho. Gaadi roko. Maybe in the car something is there, so you sometimes say stop the car. That means car is what in Hindi? It's gaadi. Stop, that means roko. So gaadi roko, that means stop the car. Car is gaadi. Rokna is stopping something. So gaadi roko, because the car may have steal something or anything. You are asking somebody to stop the car. That means gaadi roko. Don't forget to inform me. Inform means खबर देना. Don't forget, that means मत भूलना. भूलना is forgetting. So don't forget to inform me. मुझे खबर देना मत भूलना. Don't forget to inform me. So information is any खबर in Hindi. We call it as खबर. Forget is भूलना. So don't forget, that means मत भूलना. मत is in negative sense. So don't forget, that means मत भूलना. मुझे खबर देना. खबर is information. So you say don't forget to inform me. That means मुझे खबर देना मत भूलना. So we have studied about few more sentences that are used in our day-to-day routine, day-to-day sentences while talking with somebody or daily conversations, maybe little bit order, sometimes request, sometimes we used to warn somebody. So these are the sentences that we use every day in our day-to-day routine, in our day-to-day life. So those sentences we call it as frequently used sentences. Here we have studied about these frequently used sentences. You can learn them better if you revise them again and again. You can learn them better. So in order to learn the sounds, phonetics, morphology, or the way the sentence is formed, you have to revise them again and again. So in order to learn them better, make a part of your life, make a routine that you should revise them again and again daily, so that you can learn the formation of sentences, formation in Hindi with their sounds, phonetics. So that is all for this session. Don't forget to remember them. Don't forget to revise them. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.